I use SurveyMonkey to create my survey, and as you can see on the login screen, I have one survey open. I use this survey to judge students' attitudes towards Spanish and learning Spanish. And then once I click on that survey, I have a bunch of options, a summary, to design the survey, to preview the survey. So I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like. Go through and you have different boxes you can check depending on the question for the survey. Then it has a screen where you collect responses, and this allows you to get a link to share it via email, social media, put it in a website. Then you have a way to analyze the results. This is the best part, in my opinion, because it gives you a bunch of different charts, and you can customize the charts as a way to collect your data, to kind of put it together and show it.